Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing LSSC, which is a company that claims to offer passive income just by investing in electric scooters rented across the US, UK and Canada. But the question here is it actually legit or just another sketchy money scheme? Let's just break it down in today's video. So this is lightsh.com, which is the website for LSSC. Once you are over here and log in into your account, you need to just clock in daily in the application, and you press some buttons and wait for 4 hours, and you supposedly earn $32 per day on weekdays, which totaling around $700 to $800 a month depending on your level. So there are some people that have tested this application and withdrawn some money, and people have even mentioned that they are earning $50 training bonuses, and claims that other people are also making $2,000 to even $8,000 in just 6 months. So all of these claims sounds promising, but the red flag here is that there is no real proof of scooter activity, and the payouts seem based on the levels that you pay for. That smells like a potential investment trap and not a real rental business. So LSSC might be paying now. It is paying now as of to the people as of right now. But in my research, I have found that they are using a lot of websites, like a lot of different domains, and they are luring people to their website. So without transparency, it is very hard to trust these type of platforms. It could fall apart fast. So you can approach it like gambling because there is no guaranteed income in it. So my recommendation would be to go with cautious and always do your own research. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.